If you're needing to display a range of data, you should insert a table. Tables are fully customizable, and you can improve how they look and how they show their data. To insert a table, you'll need to go into the Insert tab and then find the Table option. When you select the drop-down table, you'll see a whole bunch of squares. This allows you to choose the size of your table, whether you want it to be 2 by 2 or 2 by 4 or whatever. You can always add more columns or more rows to your tables after, and you can also merge columns. Once you've inserted your table, you'll find two new tabs appear. One is called Table Design and one is called Layout. In the Table Design tab, you can see that there are different options for coloring and bordering. You can have a play around with these and set them as you please. The Table Layout option allows you to add, delete, merge cells in your table. It also allows you to change the alignment of the text in the table and for you to adjust the size of the table. If you want to add another row or column to your table, place your cursor inside the table. If you insert above or below, it will go above or below where your cursor is located. This is the same by inserting left or right. It will insert to the left or right of your cursor. If you want to merge cells in your table to create things like a title, use your mouse to highlight multiple rows or multiple columns. Then select the Merge Cells feature. If you want to split your cells, which means turning one cell into multiple cells, put your cursor in that cell. Then select the Split Cells option. You then have to decide how many columns or how many rows you want. If you don't want to increase one of them, leave it at 1. If you want to split your table in half, place your cursor in the table and then hit Split Table. The table will split above where the cursor is located. In the Table Layout tab, you will also see the Cell Size function. You can use this function to adjust the height and width of your cells. You can also use the Auto Fit function to fit your table to its contents, to fit it to a window, or to fit it to a fixed column width. Have a watch and we'll show you what fitting to contents looks like and what fitting to an auto fit window looks like. You can also change the alignment of your text. You can have it left aligned, right aligned, centered, and you can also organize it so it's either at the top, middle, or bottom of each cell. You can also change the text direction so it can run up the page instead of across the page. This can be handy if you're running out of room.